Hey folks, it's Labor Day, but I thought I'd start everything Monday just in case. Module 3 is this week. I know Module 2 was the first real one. We worked hard. It was weird, remember? I told you it would be weird. Module 3 should be easier. There's a wrinkle. Almost every topic that is in this module is like cutting edge. Um, and so the websites get changed all the time because things change. So the way the podcasts work, where you listen, I have to record these and get them transcribed for the hearing impaired, and it's a long process. So they are slow to change, but of course the websites change whenever they change. So I typed stuff in the lecture guide, so when it says note, do this instead, try to follow the written instructions to find the content. It's still useful to listen to the podcast because what I say about the content is still valid, but what I say doesn't always match up directly with what you see. Um, I don't think that is much of an issue for the whole rest of the class. It just seems like, I don't know, 3 or 4 websites for Module 3 are that way. And I think that's just because it's a really exciting part of biotech. So think of it as an exciting thing, not as a frustration. Let's see, like for instance, Mendel is one of the companies we talk about, and it's undergoing a big reorganization, so that's how that one is. Exelixis, the drug that I talk about in the podcast, it got moved to the next phase of clinical trials, which is awesome, but that means they rearranged everything. Um, the company that does cell culture xenograft testing, I think they must have gotten some flack for putting pictures of animals on their website. That must have offended people because the pictures are gone. All the same information about using their stuff is there. So those, happily, I saved the pictures. So you can look at them on the lecture guide. So it's still a great company, it's just they took away all their pictures. Live meetings are this week. I will send a separate email with instructions how to get in. Okay, so all right, this coming week in Module 3, you're going to take the quiz again twice, and the highest score goes in the grade book. So we're not averaging yet. And during this third week is when I'll be like catching up all the grades, and you will be able to check the grade book by the end of this week, the week of September 1st. Okay, have a great week, and I hope you're fresh after Labor Day weekend. Definitely visit me in office hours if you're confused. Don't get behind and upset. Okay, bye-bye.